In our human minds, we often think that if we can't see with our eyes, how much it will affect us in our daily lives. But if you look at the people with disabilities, especially those who cannot see, we see them walking and understanding the path they walk through the white cane and how they make their living. Here's a report.
To understand more about this, Sudarshan Meghalaya has spoken to Lucy Lamare, a person who cannot see but who sells Kwai without any problems. Lucy said that at the time of her birth, she lost her parents and was raised by her grandmother. But when she was 2 years old, she lost her vision due to cataracts. She said that her eyes were red and her family members treated her sickness with local medicines, which is why she lost her eyes.
Te email la klan no naksla ka prathe te la ri no imi ijanga te hadin kata ki ong naladap arsnem te sadu no ki khmat ki saw no te ki la shim dawai khasi kum tu ki la khle te ki dawai bat mkhniang te sadu no ki khmat chunga.
Although she can no longer see, she wants to work hard and stand on her own feet and not to depend on others. It was in January 2024 that she found the place near Nazareth Hospital. Until now, she has been selling Kwai in this place and earning her livelihood.
Te hadin ba nga lalap ye kane ka te nga sew ka sefi nga shong hungne ngala shong ban no hungne na du snem na du sem sorry na du benai beningkong jong snem ajar pusaw ngala shong ban no hungne ya shur shi yo.
Lucy lived with the lead blindly trust at Laujandria, North Mai, and she has received many trainings. She paid 1,000 rupees every month for her accommodation.
Blindly trust organization ka bapet bakmi ya kibriu ki badon jingduna de khotmet khamtam ya kitu kibriu ki bamdon jingpule puthi ki bakutlat kutlunti ki hikayang taba kumno kibriu bakin im halaki jong ki jat ki kumno bakin kran ki thana.
Lucy urged the youth of this generation not to give up but to work hard. In our lives, we human beings face many challenges, but these challenges should not be obstacles, she said. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.